Why does everyone say the old long-term capital gains tax was better even though it's reduced from 20% to 12.5%? This is because there are no indexation benefits anymore. Let's understand using an example. If you bought a property in 2019 for 1 crore and sold it in 2023 for 1.5 crores, then the purchase value, which is 1 crore into the cost of inflation, gives you a value of 1 crore 24 lakhs. Now, this amount gets deducted from the total sale price of 1.5 crore, giving you a balance of 25 lakhs. The old tax rate of 20% is charged on the balance amount of 25 lakhs, which gives you a value of 5 lakh 14,000, which is your tax outgo in this case. Now, in the same example, if we use the new tax rate and method, in that case, the selling price minus the purchase price, which is 50 lakh rupees, will be taxed at a flat rate of 12.5%. This comes to 6,25,000, which is higher than the tax outgo in the old tax regime. That is why they say the old tax method was more beneficial. So if you're selling a property which was purchased before July 2024, then in that case you must opt for the old tax method and use the power of indexation. Share this with anyone who owns property and may consider selling it in the future.